Hi, I'm Joe, a family handyman. You know, sometimes when you buy a door, the hinges aren't attached. You need to recess your hinge into the style of the door. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. There are a few different ways to remove the material when recessing a hinge. You can use a wood chisel. I like to use a router with a bearing bit, but first you need to make yourself a jig to work with the router. Here's one I made a few years back. It matches the profile of the hinge. Before you start routing, place your hinges at least 5 or 6 inches from the top and bottom of the door and one in the center. After you've made your marks, you're ready to start routing. You just place your jig right on the side of the door and line it up with your mark. Before you start routing, you want to set the depth of your router bit, the thickness of your router jig, plus the thickness of your hinge plate. When routing, since the router bit is turning clockwise, you always want to route the same direction of the router bit, from left to right. A self-centering bit comes in handy when drilling the holes for the hinges. When securing the hinges with the screws, be sure not to over-tighten them because you might strip them out. All right, that's it. That's how you recess hinges. For more DIY tips like this, head over to familyhandyman.com.